We just got to the Grand Floridian. We're getting ready to check in right now. We checked in this morning. Now our room's ready though, so we can go check that out. Like there's the Grand Floridian emblem. So pretty. So we just got into, this is gonna be our building, Big Pine Key. So pretty. We just got into the room. Look at this. Wow. It's amazing. I got the Walt Disney World Today station on. Look at that. Oh, so here, this is the pull out. That's gonna be your bed. I get an actual bed. Look at that. It's a Once Upon a Time pillow. That is so cool.
Look all right to you?
Look at the view. Oh my gosh. Yeah, my first time. It's so nice. So we are now getting ready to head to the pool. We stopped in Gasparillas again for some lunch. The room is beautiful. So we had the most amazing afternoon by the pool, and now we're all ready to go to Epcot for the rest of the evening. We just took a bunch of great photos out on the lawn. They actually just installed these two gorgeous swan topiaries just today. And the guy was telling us earlier, who took up the luggage, they've never had anything like that in the past here, and they're just beautiful. It's so nice. Oh, that's so sweet, and everyone's dancing. Oh, so nice. Look at this, the Cinderella's chocolate egg. Oh, they're playing Beauty and the Beast. Oh, that's the balcony we want to go to later and have a glass of wine. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, they're doing happy birthday to somebody. It's so cool.
The comfort of others. No smoking, please. Thank you. We are now passing Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort, a Disney Vacation Club resort. Gather your belongings, watch your head and step, and take small children by the hand. If there are guests waiting to board, please move across your car to make room for everyone, and kindly offer available seating to those needing special assistance. If you're standing, please hold.
Monorail green to take us to Epcot tonight. We're gonna hopefully get some more food and wine items. We're gonna be back in France. Yeah, now we're gonna go on the monorail to go to Epcot.
Norway ticket at any time prior to its expiration by adding 4 days or options. Just stop by any theme park ticket for details.
Okay, that's the most beautiful view I've ever seen, a Spaceship Earth with the sunset. Wow. We're gonna be able to see it.
There's also the Golden Girls used to mention them on just about every other show.
That's right.
And
guests drive their vehicle on the longest and fastest ride ever created for Walt Disney World. Coming into view is World Showcase. Directly across from us on the far shore of the World Showcase Lagoon is our host pavilion, the American Adventure.
That area is incredible down there. Coastal leaves, great. Yeah.
Explore the creative process with
scallops from...
Next is the land, where you at the seas with Nemo and friends, you'll meet some of your favorite undersea pals and have a live chat with Crush the Sea Turtle from Disney Pixar's Finding Nemo.
Passport because I got it.
We're approaching the Epcot monorail station. Smoking is not permitted at Epcot except in designated areas. Please consult your guide map or ask a cast member for location.
Alright, we made it into Epcot. There is a beautiful sunset right now. It is gorgeous. We look so pretty coming in with the spaceship birds. I got really good pictures of that. Look how pretty. So now we're gonna head, I think, to the countries and do some food around the world. Also, it was really nice when we were in Magic Kingdom the other day. Mark did a good deed. He was helping people in the Jungle Cruise. He was helping some people get on that were having a hard time, and one of the cast members noticed and gave him one of those no strings attached cards as a thank you just for the good deed that he did. So it's good for our whole party of 5 people. We're gonna meet my parents in here now, and it's good for any of the rides as a fast pass. So I think we're gonna use it on Frozen Ever After, because we all love that one, and that one's so hard to get on, so we're excited. All right, we're now with the whole fam in Epcot. Hello. Hello. What have you guys been doing? You went to dinner, didn't you?
We went to Chefs de France for dinner.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, the lobster bisques was delicious.
Ooh,
and I had salmon. Your dad had the beef bourguignon. It was really, he really liked it.
Yeah.
It was just, and then they gave you dessert after that.
Oh,
And
was
I
it like
never
a prefix thing?
It was we did a
Yeah.
prefix,
Oh,
which
that's
was really good. It was $39 for a prefix.
Oh, it's not bad.
And you got your choice of appetizer, entree, and dessert.
Ooh.
And I don't usually eat that much, and for the next hour afterwards I was full, but it was delicious.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
cool.
very good.
I think we may go to the walk-up in France, possibly tonight after. Well, we want to try some food and wine stuff too, but yeah, we'll see. Mark was saying the same thing. They have the lobster bisque back in the walk-up, and he really likes that. So
Yep, sounds
yeah,
good.
so that's our plan. So right now we're going into the festival center because I need to get, my parents already picked up theirs, but once you come to the festival 4 times as a pass holder, you can get an exclusive pass holder cutting board. Once you come only 1 time, you get the magnet. We got those the other day, but we're going in to get our cutting boards now. So yeah, I'm excited about it. It's cute.
Yeah,
I like that they brought back a pass holder gift because there was 1 year in there that they didn't do that, and it just adds something. It's very nice. I like that they do that.
They used to do. They were pretty.
Yeah, and then the tumblers we had the 1 year. Yeah. So, all right, we're going into the festival center. Here's the sign for it. All right, so we got our pass holder cutting boards, me and Mark, and let's show the inside. Oh, here we go. There it is. How cute is that? It's a nice little size for cutting up, like Mark just said, some cheese and cracker snacks. Very cute. So yay! courses here. I got the French onion soup. Whoa! That's so cool. Here's my chicken. I got the chocolate cake and it was like chocolate layers, chocolate mint chocolate ice cream. This is called the Grand Cocktail.